Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best knee pads that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the professional knee pads. This Any Prizes product ensure you the right amount of protection on those knees. So if you are a field man or deal with several types of surfaces, then this is a must-have for you. It takes care of both comfort and security as it is made of the quality materials that keep in mind the ergonomic design. It keeps you safe even from falls and absorbs the maximum impact that results in less damage. The materials used are PVC plastic shell, Oxford fabric, and EVA lining that stays strong against almost every surface. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kong Professional Knee Pads. Kong knee pads are superior when it comes to the safety of your knees. These are real servers that you can wear all day long without feeling any ache or discomfort. It comes with 2 adjustable straps, so it goes with all sizes for both men and women, and it always stays in place. There is gel cushioning and padding that provides the soft installing to your knees, and the hard surfaces outside keep them safe from any unfortunate happening. To give you more security, these knee pads promote antibacterial and non-toxic material that has dirt, cold and heat resistance. At number 3, we have the professional knee pads. These knee pads are from Redwood Selection that provides you the perfect amount of safety while you work outside. It is gel cushioning and foam padding that ensures your comfort all the time while wearing it. It comes with double straps that make it stick to the knee, so you don't face issues like slipping or similar. In addition to that, the external material is plastic that keeps any material hurting your knee area. So if you are a constructor, gardener or field worker, you can purchase this security add-on and enjoy the ergonomic design with utmost comfort. At number 2, we have the Hot and Cold Therapy Reusable Gel Pack Ideal. Foxskull's gel pack with adjustable Velcro can be the perfect choice for workout lovers or those who regularly follow physical activities. Injuries are most likely to happen, and so this great thing is introduced that you can wrap around the injured part and let it does the rest. It can freeze it for cold therapy, and for the hot one you can keep it in that microwave. Moreover, it is fantastic as an ice pack and relieves any areas like neck, ankle, shoulders, wrist, knee and other parts where injuries happen most. It is very compact, so you can easily carry it along, and the adjustable Velcro makes it fit on any body part. And finally at number 1, we have the XCEL 26 inches Yoga Knee Pad. The XCEL's yoga pads are very comfortable while doing workout or exercise that mainly focuses on joints like knee, elbow, and wrist. If you usually feel pain while placing these parts on that mat during yoga, then purchasing this one will be very beneficial. The knee pad lets you perform all the yoga by keeping your knees safe. The material used is durable and provides comfort. Also, it is perfect for better stability, and handling is effortless as it is lightweight, so you can carry it while traveling as well. It supports the eco-friendliness, and it is liquid resistant.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.